Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you make delicious vodka cocktails at home. We will start by gathering your essential bar tools, like a shaker, jigger, and strainer. Then, we will discuss stocking your home bar with quality vodka, various mixers, and fresh garnishes. Learning a few basic cocktail techniques will ensure your drinks are perfectly balanced and enjoyable every time. Let's explore some timeless vodka cocktail recipes. The refreshing Moscow Mule is made with 2 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of ginger beer, and 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. For a simple yet elegant drink, try a vodka soda with 2 ounces of vodka and 4 ounces of club soda. The vibrant Cosmopolitan blends 1 1/2 ounces of vodka with cranberry, lime, and orange liqueur. Mastering a few key techniques elevates your home bartending. Shaking vigorously with ice chills and dilutes your ingredients, perfect for drinks with juices or cream. Stirring, on the other hand, is best for spirit-forward cocktails to maintain their clarity and smooth texture. Don't forget the garnish. It adds both visual appeal and aromatic complexity, making your drink truly special. To consistently create exceptional cocktails, always prioritize fresh ingredients. They make a significant difference in flavor. Precision is key, so use a jigger to measure your spirits and mixers accurately for balanced drinks. Don't be afraid to experiment with various vodka brands and explore new flavor combinations. Practice makes perfect, so enjoy the process of crafting your signature drinks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.